Hi, my name is Samantha and welcome to today's video. Today we're doing the rummage sale haul. Let's get into it. Now, if you watched last week's video, you might be thinking, hey, why is she trying to cheat us with the same bag that she had last week? Okay, let me tell you why. So, I originally had the rummage sale stuff in this bag, so you wouldn't be able to see what was in it. So, I literally just now dumped it into this bag to show you guys in a translucent bag. And remember, this whole bag was $10. So, when I'm telling you buy your fabric at the thrift store, buy your fabric at the thrift store. That being said, still got a great deal at the rummage sale. I spent about 50 bucks, and then my mom spent about 10 bucks on fabric. So about $60 in fabric here. A lot of big cuts I'm very excited about. Make sure I don't knock anything over here. All right. So the first one, whoa. So this is half of my budget of fabric, right? Because I spent 50 bucks. It was $25 for this quilt kit, but check out these huge amounts of fabric. I didn't open it yet. Oh my goodness. They're Christmas fabrics. Look how beautiful. It's like midnight sky. Oh, that's so cute. There's a bunch of trains, and I knew these were going to be big cuts, so that's why I picked this out. Just stripes. And I don't have a ton of Christmas fabric. Most of my holiday prints are at the top. I have a lot of Halloween prints. I don't have a ton of Christmas prints, so this will be good to add to the stash. But that being said, individually, these aren't super Christmassy. They're kind of just winter themed. So that is cool. This is a panel. Let's see here. It's got a little Santa on a moon. It's very cute. And you know we're going to serge all this up and pre-wash it. Always got to pre-wash. Very cute. And two more. Wow. So this was just one bag, $25. Okay. It's almost like Dr. Seuss-y. Doesn't it look like that? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Super cute. And then here is the quilt pattern. It is by P&B Boutique. I'm looking if there's a year in here. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I have no idea. I'm going to try and look this up to see how much it costs. Hopefully put it on the screen. Maybe find a year, but that was just the one bag. So then I have two bags of miscellaneous. So this was $1. And you know the jar openers, I don't need that much fabric. So I could still get a lot out of just this little bag. But you guys know I like going for the bigger cuts. But you know I'm a sucker for florals. I mean, I can make a ton just with this one piece. What is that, a fat quarter? Greens, you know I love the greens. All right, that's pretty skinny. Can't do much with that. Oh, this is so cute. So cute. I like that one too. These are like fat quarter size pieces. Some of them are not square. So that was pretty good. I'm happy with that bag. And then here's the other bag. This is $1 and it says irregular cuts. So let's see what we've got. Okay, so this is not what I was expecting. I typically buy cotton flannel or quilting cotton. So this is more like a satin. Wasn't expecting that because obviously I didn't open it and touch it. This one, I don't know. Look, there's literally like a label from something. I'll need to make sure to take that out before I wash them. I don't know how to explain what these fabrics are. Ooh, this feels like it should be like a piece of clothing, like a dress or something. That is such a cool pattern. Okay, now everything else are, what am I trying to say? Bands of large pieces of fabric. So last year versus this year. This year was much better as far as like the people and like not dealing with masks, anything like that. That was really nice. And you know, you pay by department. They had a lot of stuff there. Like I said, Friday was $50. Saturday, which was when I went today, I'm filming this on Saturday, and it was free. And then tomorrow is Sunday, that'll be free too, and it's like fill a trash bag for $5 or whatever it is. So the fabric, there was a lot more selection last year. However, last year it was just like a disaster all over the table. Like all the fabric was bundled like this, and it was so much more organized. That they did not have as much of a selection, but it was much nicer to look at. Granted, if I would have paid $50 yesterday, maybe they would have had more. I don't know. But that is my observation. So I got this fabric here. I don't know what it is. I don't think it's a quilting cotton. Oh, I didn't even say what it was. It is over 2 yards for $2. So, and I'm gonna pull these off. And then this guy, $1.50, 1.5 yards. And he's like a vertical floral. Again, I'm not 100% sure what this fabric is. We've got 3 yards for $3. So it's pretty much $1 a yard. This is like a quilting cotton. This guy, 4.5 yards for $4.50. So, like I said, $1 a yard is essentially what they ended up doing. Very cute. Little swans. All right, and then this guy, over 2 yards, $2. I was hoping this had like bees on it. It's like I don't think it's maybe quilting cotton. I'm not sure. I think it's a cotton. This guy, 3 yards, $3. This is a quilting cotton. Floral print. Another floral print, 3.5 yards, $3.50. There we are. Not sure what this is. I don't know how to explain this fabric. I'm not sure. Over 2 yards, $2. It kind of feels like a kid's shirt, a men's shirt, maybe, is how I would explain it. Cotton flannel, 50 cents. Not sure how much this is. Hopefully enough to make some towels. And then here's another cotton flannel. I think these are the only 2 cotton flannels. This one's 50 cents as well. And I haven't serged and washed the fabric that I showed you guys last week. So that'll be nice that I can wash all this stuff together. I usually wait a month or 2 to get enough fabric, depending on how much I've gotten, so that I can have a big enough load in the washing machine. All right, here we go. Another cotton flannel. This guy is, I would say, a quilting cotton. 1 yard, $1. Some butterflies and florals. I believe this is a cotton flannel, or sorry, not cotton flannel, quilting cotton, $2. Definitely gotta make sure I get all this masking tape off. I do not want that in the washing machine. Very cute. Oh, there's even little glasses. Look how cute that is. Pencils and stuff. This one is like a upholstery. So if you haven't watched my apron video, this would probably make a very cute apron. $1.50, 1.5 yards. I think that would make a cute apron. Okay, $1. This is quilting cotton. And guys, when I record this video, we are at $8.91. So close to 900. Please, 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 if you could just share this with one person you know that's into crafts, into sewing, I would greatly appreciate it. If we could get the subscriber count to 900 this week, 1,000 by Thanksgiving, I know we could do it. So please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and share this with your friends. All right, last piece of fabric. Oh my goodness. It's like an I Spy pattern. Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. This is like perfect for making a pillow for a kid's room. Let me know what your favorite fabric was in the comments down below. What you would like to see me make with them. Oh, and then previous thrifts ago, I had gotten this serger thread. $6 for the serger thread. Now, there's 3 of the burgundy and 2 of the pink. So that means that I can't do 4 threads of the same color, but who cares? So a project like this where I just need to serge the 2 sides to be able to wash it, that's perfectly fine. Because I've talked to you guys before about what I do like thrifting for and what I don't like thrifting for. I normally do not like thrifting for thread because you don't know how old it is, you don't know if it's going to break, but an item like this, serging for the purpose of washing it, I don't care. I have other spools like that. These crazy colors. So these were each $1, and these, when I bought them, were in the packaging, so I knew they were new. But for that purpose, I don't care. If it was for my finished project, that'd be different. Same thing with needles. I wouldn't buy needles from the thrift store because you don't know how old they are. You don't know if they've been used. That being said, it's all up to your own discretion, what you think is best, what you think is not best. Let me know what your favorite thing to thrift for sewing is in the comments down below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.